Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So all the AI powered website builders are basically the future. But which one is the better? So today we'll be discussing hosting a website and comparing it with WordPress AI. So both tools use AI to build website, but hosting a website builder is a drag and drop with AI generated layouts and it's great for beginners. If you compare the pricing, it's basically what Hostinger is offering $3.99 per month, and it also offers plus 3 months if you claim the deal right now, and also with 30-day money back guarantee. On the other hand, WordPress AI, it works inside WordPress and it helps with content and SEO layouts, but it requires some setup. And if you talk about the features, the WordPress basically has an optimized content, themes, plugins, giving you more flexibility. And on the other hand, Hostinger AI creates a full website instantly, but it has fewer customization options as compared to your WordPress. So, in the end, if you'll ask me to compare both of these and which one I think is better, so I'll say if you prefer flexibility and more content, optimized content and themes, definitely go for WordPress. But if you are okay with customization options, compromising on that, and you prefer getting a whole website created instantly, definitely go for Hostinger. And with that, I hope this video clears out everything for you. Thank you so much for watching.